Yeah, so having a really good time at the camp here with Marquis Tennis Academy, working with some good juniors, a couple pros as well. Just about getting a great environment to train in, a great environment to learn in. I think everybody at any stage of the tennis that they're in, they need to continuously work on their games. They need to spend time and then they need to understand what it takes really in order to be a successful professional. Also helping them with guiding them in different stages of their careers. For example, we have one of the players here who's already on the pro circuit. So what we discuss with him will be very different with a 16-year-old over here who's really trying to find his stride. Then there's college tennis, and there's so many other things as well. So ultimately, the name of the game is they've come over here to work hard, to improve, to create a great environment. And honestly, Prajnesh and I, both of us, yes, it was really fun to represent India, but this is our time to give back. This is our time to, work on the future generations. And big thanks to everybody who has supported. Big thanks to Chris. I think Chris has a great vision for all of these young kids. His team is a great team, very motivated, very dedicated to actually get better, to help, to work hard and put all of this stuff together. I think there's very few places in India that have this sort of infrastructure and this sort of focused development on young players. So I'm very happy to be here and honestly look forward to being back.
So I'm a part of the academy since 1 year. I'm a head of sports science and medicine. So all things that come off the court and on the court are the things that are taken care of me. And we planned not only the fitness vertical from day one from a player, but if you talk about high performance camp, what ideally goes at elite level, since I have experience with elite players, in terms of high performance program, right from day one, pre-assessment, we need to check with couple of tests on and off field to see around how fit the players are, or will they be able to handle the whole camp. That is first thing. So we do all testings, whether on field, off field, musculoskeletal, then your agility drills test, shuttle runs, 10-20 meter fitness test. Then after that, we design the plans in terms of how they're going to sustain, knowing Goa is very hot. So the boys needs to train as well and recover as well. So we manage all fitness sessions. Then apart from the fitness, any sort of injury if is there, we have a fully equipped medical room here as well, so that that thing can be catered for. Apart from it, recovery plays a major role. It's not a 1 day, it's a 10-day camp. So every day they need to be in training at a high intensity and they need to recover back again. So in that, we had a couple of recovery sources as well, which we are educating players to understand. So it's not only 2 or 3 hours that play on court. There are other things that goes off the court to maintain high fitness and energy to last long. And this camp has been good. Luckily, the situations and the facility has been top notch. And apart from the planning, the players were really great in terms of putting the intensity over.
So I've also played tennis professionally, played since the age of 6. So Chris and I both play professionally, so we understand what goes into, developing the young talent here and the kind of resources we want to provide them with. So I'm mostly in the background, organizing and doing operations, and Chris is on court. So that's the role I'm playing here at the camp as well. Yeah.